I'm at Station 1 on the Dogwood course at 5H Sporting Clays in Frankston, Texas. And I'm going to show you how to use their controllers on their stations. So when you approach the station, you'll look at the board and it's going to tell you what pair of targets are going to be thrown. In this case, it's a true pair. So to throw a true pair, you hit the button that says pair. And when you do so, it'll throw both traps simultaneously. Now, if it was a report pair, as soon as the shooter says pull, we fire trap 1. As soon as they shoot, when they go bang, you hit trap 2 and release the next target. And then you score them. So again, pair for true pair, trap 1, pull, push, bang, push button 2. And that's it. Here we are on the Wildflower course. The controls here are a little different than the Dogwood course. One thing to notice is your menu. This tells you what kind of target you're throwing. And in this case, it's a report pair. 1, report 2 means that on the controller here, there's 1, and then after they shoot, you hear the gun fire, press the second button and throw the second target. So, you'll put your thumb on the A and B, or 1 and 2. When the shooter says pull, you'll push button 1. As soon as they fire, you will push the second button and let them shoot. Another pair that you may see is a true pair. And when it comes time to throw one of those, on this controller, you'll hit sim pair. The button will light up red. You'll hit A, and then when the shooter calls pull, you'll hit the B button. After that pair throws, to get ready, sim pair, A, again, wait for the shooter. When they say pull, hit B. Okay, so here is your scorecard. And at the top, you see a slash for a dead bird, meaning there was a visible chip or they crushed the target. Lost bird, no visible chips. Complete miss. So when you pull your first pair, if it's a dead pair, then you'll put 2 slashes. Next pair, they hit the first one, they miss the second target, so it's a dead lost pair. Third set of targets, they completely missed both of them. No visible chips. Lost pair, 0-0. Final pair, lost, dead. Total up your hits. Total is 4. Put that on the column. Thank them for shooting, and then welcome the next shooter to the station. Sometimes during an event, when the shooter pulls the trigger, the gun does not go bang for whatever reason. Could be a malfunction with the gun, could be ammo issue. However, we do have a contingency for that. So we get 3 malfunctions per event, mark a 1 in the first spot, then the shooter will repeat that pair of targets. When it comes to scoring a malfunction, if it's a report pair, and let's say they hit the first target, but the malfunction occurred on the second target, on a report pair, you will count the first target as dead. They will repeat the pair, and then you'll score the second shot. So on a malfunction with a true pair, you have to shoot the pair over again. Whether they hit the target, miss the target is irrelevant. On a true pair, you have to shoot at both targets for a score. So if they hit the first target and the gun malfunctioned, that target does not count. You will have them clear their gun, reload, and then start over on that pair.